Hi friends, I'm Jazz. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fun with Jazz. Guess what we're gonna do today? 5 seconds, huh? Now where's my brother finger? Silly fingers. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A handbag made out of paper. And this is how it's going to look, but in different color. You can also design it, but I designed it my way. Surprise! I first did this little guy, a TV with a king, queen, and rainbow. And second, I did a rainbow heart. I wanted to decorate more, but I didn't think. So that's why I'm doing it later. You can do any kind of person. Show me. Let's see what we need to make a handbag. And these are the stuff we need. Know how it came. I first made a red marker, a black marker, a glue stick, a staple of course, scissors, and a white sheet. 2 orange sheets to in your color, or you can take designer color, and a purple sheet. Anyways, now let's get started. So here we have a purple base. I'm using this for my handles. Make sure corner to corner. So now, you first take the pen or pencil and draw. Here's what we have. Take your scissors and cut through the lines. Got these handles now. Time to move on these first. The first paper we're starting. You'll need the glue. Put it and put glue. On both sides. We're going to do up and down. Let's make this dry and then we can check it out. It almost got ruined. Next, let's move to the other one. So this one we split from a long edge. This one should be long. You can do any color, your choice. But I like orange. So now we have to put together. You can use staple or at least I'm going to add a bit of glue. So now, if it's not really sticking well, take a staple and staple it. Make sure this one doesn't fall off by maybe stapling it. It's your choice. So we have this. Now take the handles and glue it. Or first do the design. First I'm going to do the design. Now, time for the design. So move your handbag away. and take the white paper. I didn't get so many markers because I'm just going to draw a picture. I'm going to do a design. So let's get started. I'm going to do a rainbow heart or that like rainbow TV. You can do any design. I like those stuff. So I made a heart with like foaming red and a flower. Now I'm just going to fill in the flower. So there's the flower. I'm going to make another flower kind of curved away. So this is my creation. I'm usually finished and ready to cut it out. So now I'm going to cut my creation. I'll try my best. Usually I don't make stuff hard. If the flower broke, you can glue it. It took me a lot of time to cut this, so I just got some help. Now let's glue. Glued this, now it's time to glue the other side. Now I'm going to glue it here. We finish. Time to clean it up. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel, FunWithJas. Ring the bell icon for more notifications and videos. And if you would like a video you want, comment down below and I'll get it done for you. And give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye, my friends.